Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security and privacy. Go to device lock, screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Now, let's select password, and to create password, enter at least 4 characters. Re-enter it, and now use it to unlock the tab. Next, let's select PIN and enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, enter connect at least 4 dots. Once it's set, go to fingerprint unlock, tap more agree, and now scan your fingerprint on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.